Now numerator is in the form a plus b the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square? If we refer the formula list, we have integration of cosecant x into cot x. A square plus b square plus 2ab is what? A plus b the whole square. Minus cos x plus sin x plus c, or rearrange sin x minus cos x plus c also I can write. To convert tan square to secant square, what is tan square x? Secant square x minus 1. If I write this is 1 by cos, this will become 1 by cos. Denominator will become cos square x plus 1. Welcome to the session, dear students. In last class I taught some of the basic problems of integrals. Today we'll go ahead with more problems of integrals. To integrate, first you should be thorough with the formulae and rules. Once you are thorough with the formulae, then the process becomes easy. So always I say the same. Integrations are not tough, but reducing the given problem to integrable form is the challenge. So now we need to convert it into integrable form. See, first they want you to integrate a power x plus b power x whole square by a power x into b power x with respect to what? X. Now numerator is in the form a plus b the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So don't integrate. See, the symbol of integration with respect to x I am retaining as it is. First let me simplify this. So integration of, I will write a power x whole square plus b power x whole square plus 2ab, 2 into a power x into b power x divided by a power x into b power x with respect to x. Now further simplify this, then you will get integral of a power x the whole square, split this, divided by a power x b power x plus b power x the whole square divided by a power x into b power x plus 2a power x into b power x divided by a power x b power x with respect to what? X. Now simplify the terms. I can cancel 1 a power x and 1 square, 1 b power x and 1, and a power x, b power x, b power x cancels. So now further remaining terms, integral of, I have a power x by b power x. Can I write it as a power x by b power x? A by b the whole power x. Then b power x by a power x. I can write b power x by a power x. I will write it as b by a whole power x plus 2. Now integrate each term. And now integration is easy. I told you integrables are not tough, integrations are not tough, but reducing the given problem to integrable form. Observe this carefully. It resembles which formula? If a careful observation reveals that it suits with the formula integration of a power x. In the formula list I gave integration of a power x. What is integration of constant power x? A power x by log base EA plus C. So we can use this formula. So integration of a power x is what? A power x by log a. It suits. So instead of a, I have a by b. So use the formula and solve it. So if I use the formula, so it will become a by b power x divided by log base e a by b plus b by a power x by log base e b by a plus integration of second one is in what form? Second one is in the form integration of k dx. What is integration of k dx? Kx plus c. So therefore integration of 2 dx is 2x. Each term I integrated. First one is in the form a power x. A means constant. Constant power x means constant power x by log constant. So a by b is constant. Constant power x is constant power x divided by log constant. Constant here is a by b. Here constant is b by a. And third one is this. So I am repeating, integrables can be done by converting the given problem or simplifying. To simplify, use all the possible simplifications. Here it is in a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then split it. After you split, it will be in the form a power x, and you should know the formula for a power x. What is integration of a power x? A power x by log base a. A means constant. Here a by b is the constant. A by b power x is a by b power x by log a by b. Next we have integration of cosecant x into root of cosecant square x minus 1. Simple, all of you know identities. To solve this, you should know identities. What is the identity? 1 plus cot square theta. What is 1 plus cot square theta in mathematics? So in first year PUC you studied trigonometric identities. 1 plus cot square theta is cosecant square theta. So now if you want transfer 1 to that side. So cot square theta is cosecant square theta minus 1. Simple, in spite of cosecant square theta minus 1, you can write what? Cot square theta. What is cosecant square minus 1? Cot square. So before you integrate, simplify. So integration symbol, let it be. Outside we have cosecant x, let it be. And root of what is cosecant square minus 1? Cot square. Cot square x with respect to what? Dx. Now simplify or cancel the terms. You can cancel square root and square. And whatever you left out, whatever is left out, integrate. So we have integration of cosecant x into cot x dx. What is integration of cosecant into cot? Minus cosecant x. That is there in the formula list. So minus cosecant x plus cot x. So my dear students, to integrate this, so you should know the formula. What is the formula? In the formula list, if you refer the formula list, we have integration of cosecant x into cot x. What is integration of cosecant x into cot x? Integration of cosecant x into cot x is minus cosecant x plus c. And one more important thing is, you should know that cosecant square x minus 1 can be written as cot square x. So these are the two basics you should know, then you can integrate. Next, root of 1 plus sine 2x. Very good question. Root of 1 plus sine 2x. Here we don't have chain rule like differentiation. Again, to integrate we use multiple angles. So if you want to integrate this problem, you should know multiple angle. So you know that 1 can be written as sine square x plus cos square x. 1 sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1 you learnt, but here this is in the form of x. So instead of 1 I'll write sine square x plus cos square x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ, 1 ಬದಲಿಗೆ sin square x plus cos square x ಬರಿಬೋದು. Plus you have sin 2x. Instead of sin 2x, you can write 2 sin x cos x. We call this as multiple angle. In trigonometry chapter, you have multiple angles. So let me repeat. So the second step, if you see, it should be through the basics. So you know in math, sin square theta plus cos square theta. What is sin square theta plus cos square theta? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. And you also know other important case, sin 2 theta. What is sin 2 theta? Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta. So sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta, and sin square theta is plus cos square theta is 1. So instead of 1 ಬದಲಿಗೆ ನೀವು sin square theta plus cos square theta ಬರಿಬೋದು. That's why instead of 1, what I am doing, so here we have 1. So 1 I wrote it as sin square x plus cos square x. Instead of 1, I wrote what? Sin square x plus cos square x. And I had sin 2x. Instead of sin 2x, sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x. This is what I have done. Now if you observe, it is simple. A square plus b square plus 2ab. What is a square plus b square plus 2ab? A plus b the whole square. So can I write this as sin x plus cos x the whole square under root, and root as it is, dx as it is. Now this is a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab is what? A plus b the whole square. So now a square plus b square plus 2ab. What is this? This is a plus b the whole square. You know the formula for a plus b the whole square. So this is what we are using. So now it is easy. You can cancel the terms. Can I cancel square root and square? So what is left out? We are left out with simple format, that is integration of sin x plus cos x. Integration of sin x plus cos x with respect to x. That is integration of sin x with respect to x plus integration of cos x with respect to x. What is integration of sin x? Minus cos x. What is integration of cos x? Sin x plus c, minus cos x plus sin x plus c, or rearrange sin x minus cos x plus c also you can write, simple. But here you should observe it is a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab is a plus b the whole square. So sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x can be written as sin x plus cos x the whole square. Square root cancels and you are left out with integration of sin x plus cos x. What is integral of sin x? Minus cos x. Integral of cos x, sin x. Here this is the answer, minus cos x plus sin x, or rearrange it will become sin x minus cos x plus c. Then we have 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. So they want you to integrate 1 minus cos 2x divided by 1 plus cos 2x with respect to x. If you want to integrate this, again you should be good in multiple angles. So we have direct format in multiple angles of trigonometry. 1 minus cos 2x or cos 2 theta can be written as, whenever you have minus, it will be written as 2 sin square x. And similarly 1 plus cos x can be written as 2 cos square x. These are two important formulae. So then the problem reduces. So before you integrate, simplify this. To simplify, we are using results of multiple angle. 1 minus cos 2x in maths is 2 sin square x, and 1 plus cos 2x in science is 2 cos square x dx. Now simplify the terms. If you simplify the terms, 2 cancels. Sin square x by cos square x we have. Sin square x by cos square x can be written as tan square x. So we are left out with integration of tan square x dx. You know tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta can be written as secant square theta. So further I can write, so again we should know the identity. So what is the important format you should know? 1 plus tan square theta is, what is 1 plus tan square x? Secant square x. Wherever you get tan square x, transfer 1 to that side. So what is tan square x? Tan square x can be written as secant square x minus 1. We cannot integrate tan square x, but we can write tan square as secant square x minus 1, and you have formula for secant square x. So that's why become thorough with the formula. In the formula list we have secant square, but we don't have tan square. So convert tan square to secant square. To convert tan square to secant square, what is tan square x? Secant square x minus 1. So we have integration of tan square x dx. We don't have formula in the list, so I'll convert. I'll write it as secant square x minus 1 with respect to x. Now integrate each term. Integration of secant square x dx minus integration of 1 dx. What is integration of secant square x? Tan x. What is integration of 1? 1x plus c. Tan x minus x plus c is the answer. Hope all of you got this. But to solve this problem, what you should be thorough with? You should be thorough with the basics of trigonometry. You will be learning the basics of trigonometry, that is 1 plus cos 2x. 1 plus cos 2x can be written as 2 sin square x. Similarly, 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x, and 1 plus cos 2x can be written as 2 cos square x, and you should know tan square x can be written as secant square x. So these three important formats if you know, then you can integrate. Now next, 1 divided by 1 plus sin x. These are all 5 mark questions. So we can solve by method of rationalization. If I rationalize this, the problem reduces. Now it is not readily in integrable form. So integration of 1 divided by 1 plus sin x they want. It's an important 5 mark question. So to solve this, I should rationalize this. And what is the rationalizing factor for 1 plus sin x? For 1 plus sin x, rationalizing factor is 1 minus sin x. So this 1 plus sin x given, divide and multiply by 1 minus sin x. 1 minus sin x by 1 minus sin x with respect to x. Numerator is integration of 1 minus sin x. Denominator is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is what? A square minus b square. So it will become 1 minus sin square x dx. So integration of 1 minus sin x divided by, all of you know identity. What is 1 minus sin square theta? Cos square theta. So it will become 1 minus sin square 1 minus sin x by cos square x. So further you split it. Can I split it as 1 by cos square x minus sin x by cos square x? So now integrate this. So before you integrate, rewrite. Can I write 1 by cos square x can be written as secant square x minus sin x by cos square x. So I will write it as sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x. Observe this carefully. So we have cos square x. Cos square x I wrote cos x into cos x. Sin x I wrote sin x into 1. But 1 by cos square. 1 by, see I am splitting 1 by cos square, minus is there, put minus, sin x by cos square. If you take LCM, you will get this. So now 1 by cos square, reciprocal of cos is secant. You studied in first PUC trigonometry. So instead of 1 by cos square, write secant square. And cos square in denominator, write it as cos x into cos x. Now still you don't integrate this, put a bracket, later we'll integrate. Further we can simplify. I can write it as integration of, so secant square x minus sin x by cos x is tan x minus into 1 by cos x is secant x into dx. So now simplify this. So it will become integration of secant square x dx minus integration of secant x into tan x dx. So now integration of secant square x is tan x. Integration of secant x into tan x is secant x plus c. These two are in the formula list. This is the final answer. So my dear students, here the key points are, you need to know, you have to rationalize. So the key point is you have to rationalize this. This is the important. What is that? Rationalizing. And second important thing is identity. What is the identity? 1 minus cos square x. So here 1 minus sin square x. 1 minus sin square x, we wrote this as what? Cos square x. 1 minus sin square x is cos square x. And then splitting 1 by cos square, sin by cos square. These are the key things. And this formula list. You know, integration of secant square is tan, integration of secant into tan is secant x. So this is the final answer. One of the important questions and simple question also, but you should be good in trigonometry to solve this question. Next, I want to conclude. Before I want to conclude, highlights of the today's topic. We integrated, but many times we got the situation called tan square x. So whenever you see tan square x, you can write it as secant square x minus 1. Similarly, we'll get situation where you will get cot square x. Write cot square x as what? Cosecant square x minus 1. Why? Because you can integrate secant square, that is tan x. You can integrate cosecant square, that is minus cot x. And we also used multiple angles. 1 minus cos 2x. 1 minus cos 2x can be written as what? 2 sin square x. And we used 1 plus cos 2x. 1 plus cos 2x can be written as 2 cos square x. And we used other formats, that is sin 2x. Sin 2x can be written as 2 sin x cos x. These are all the important formats you should be thorough with. Then you can solve the problems. Next, we have secant x by 1 plus secant x. Again, you can rationalize this or convert secant as 1 by cos. If I write this as 1 by cos, this will become 1 by cos. Denominator will become cos square x plus 1 and cos square goes up. So like that, cos cancels. So 1 by cos square x plus 1, simplify or rationalize, anything fine. So like last problem, you can derive this by rationalizing. Secant x, integration of secant x by 1 plus secant x. I told two methods are possible. Secant can be written as 1 by cos. So then it will become 1 by 1 plus cos x. Then you rationalize. Or directly you can rationalize. So can I write secant x? Secant is the reciprocal of cos. Secant x can be written as 1 by cos x. In denominator also I will write 1 by 1 plus 1 by cos x. Further, numerator is integration of 1 by cos x. Denominator is cos x into 1 is cos x plus 1 divided by cos x dx. Now simplify this. So I can cancel the terms, cos x cancels. So what is left out? We are left out with integration of 1 by cos x plus 1, or I can write 1 plus cos x plus 1 or 1 plus cos x dx. Now it is like last problem. What you should do? Rationalize. What is the rationalizing factor? 1 divided by 1 plus cos x, divide and multiply by 1 minus cos x, divide and multiply by 1 minus cos x dx. Numerator becomes 1 minus cos x into 1 minus 1 is 1 minus cos x. Denominator a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b can be written as a square minus b square. So it will become 1 square minus cos square x. So you know 1 square minus cos square x means 1 minus cos square x. 1 minus cos square x is sin square x. Further, you can write it as 1 by sin square x minus cos x divided by sin square x. So it's similar to the last problem. Further, you can simplify. So I can write 1 by sin square x cosecant square x minus, you can write it as cos x by sin x into 1 by sin x splitting. Still we have not integrated, so we'll go on simplifying each term. So that is integration of, we are left out with cosecant square x minus cos by sin is cot x into cosecant x dx. So integration of what? Cosecant square x dx minus integration of cosecant x into cot x. You know, integration of cosecant square x is minus cot x. Integration of this is minus. Minus of minus becomes plus cosecant x plus c. Integration of cosecant x into cot x is minus cosecant x. Already one minus is there. Minus of minus becomes plus, and you can rewrite it cosecant minus cot or minus cot plus cosecant plus c. Next we have cos x by 1 plus cos x. Rationalize this. So you have two methods. One, I can write cos x as cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. The other one is rationalize. Divide and multiply by 1 minus cos x. Denominator becomes sin square x. Numerator becomes cos square x. Further simplify. So now, as usual, cos x divided by what is given? 1 plus cos x. Use brackets for this. So now I'll rationalize. What is the rationalizing factor? Cos x divided by 1 plus cos x divided and multiply by what? 1 minus cos x divided by 1 minus cos x dx. So numerator is in the form, so multiply numerator. If you multiply numerator, it will become cos x minus cos square x. Denominator, a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square, 1 minus cos square x dx. Further split this, it will become cos x minus cos square x divided by 1 minus cos square x is sin square x. We are using the identity. Further split this, it will become cos x by sin square x minus cos square x by sin square x. You know cos x by sin square x. So cos x by sin square x can be written as sin x into sin x minus, we are left out with, if you see, cos square by sin square. What is cos square by sin square? Tan square x dx. So now simplify this. That is integration of cos by sin is cot x, 1 by sin is cosecant x minus tan square x. Now tan square x can be written as, now I can write integration of cot into cosecant can be written as cosecant x into cot x dx. Cot x minus tan square x, I told you tan square x can be written as secant square x minus 1, but outside we have minus, so use brackets. Now each term is integrable. Tan square x ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದ್ರು ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು? You write secant square x minus. Now each term is integrable. So integration of cosecant x minus cot x minus integration of secant square x minus of minus plus integration of 1, all with respect to dx. So dx. So that will become integration of cosecant into cot is minus cosecant x. Integration of secant square x is tan x. Integration of 1 is x plus c. So this is an important problem. From here you are familiar. Tan square x we have done. Tan square x can be written as secant square minus 1. So sin square x by 1 plus cos x. Rationalize. It will become simple. Sin square x, let it be, divided by, or you can do one thing, sin square x, instead of rationalizing we'll do other method. So we already rationalized, we can rationalize and simplify. Our integration of sin square x divided by 1 plus cos x, right? So numerator, can I write it as 1 minus cos square x? You know sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x. So instead of sin square x, I'll write 1 minus cos square x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. So numerator is in the form a square minus b square. A square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So numerator can be written as 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. So now you can cancel the terms. So I can cancel 1 plus cos x, 1 plus cos x. So what is left out? Integration of 1 minus cos x dx. So now integrate each term. So it will become integration of 1 dx minus integration of cos x dx. So integration of 1 is x minus integration of cos x is sin x plus c. That's it. Here we are using reverse method. Sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. So sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x. 1 minus cos square x in the form a square minus b square. You know, a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. That's what we have done with this. 1 minus cos square x can be written as 1 square minus cos square. So I wrote it as 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x. That helped you to simplify the problem. So I hope all of you understood this. So my dear students, we have done all the problems of 3 and 5 markers of the first exercise of the integrals. Please sit and practice them. Then we'll go to the method of substitution in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.